Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Paul, and on this channel I like to go over things that I'm curious about and things that I've looked into. I like to share here as well. So today is Monday, so that means we're going to be doing another marketing episode. So with this one, it's Pre-Suasion by Robert Caildini, or Caildini, right here. So one of the things that I found very, very fascinating about this, again, I'm only 100 pages in, so this is just one of the lessons I've taken away from the first 100 pages, but it was this. Curiosity, which, by the way, I did a book review on the book Curiosity by Ian Leslie. I believe that was the name of it, Ian Leslie, and it was Curiosity, Why Your Success Depends on, or something like that. But so that was another book that I did, but it's going to tie in. So anyways, Robert Caildini is talking about in this Pre-Suasion about how curiosity is one of the most single potent factors in keeping people intrigued. So it was a couple chapters on attracting clients, I believe, and one of the things he used was attraction, and so he talked about attractive people in the images and in videos and whatnot, and the other one was magnets. And in the magnets, it obviously was meant to stick, right? And so with this one, it was curiosity, and I was like, yes, this makes so much sense from what I've learned about curiosity too. And everything that has driven me, it's been curiosity based, and it's been the things that pulled me through, everything like that. And so he said when he started to understand, we all desire mystery, we all desire something to be solved, and so whenever a new idea or new story in particular is introduced to us, we want to see the culmination of that story take place. And so he was saying one of the things that he tested out was he's teaching a class, and he would start off the class by opening up kind of like a mystery story. And the class would go on for 45 minutes or whatever it may have been. And almost always 5 minutes before, you're going to hear everyone start packing up and getting ready to go. He said, but once he started using this tactic, there was no like backpacks closing up. There was no moving around in the seats or anything like that. And if he never did close the story, students would always ask, hey, what ended up happening? And so he just realized how powerful and pulled in it had taken people from not being able to focus, or maybe half the class being able to focus, to almost 100% being locked in. And when you think about all of the different things that are wanting our attention nowadays, our attention spans are very, very short. The thing that we are most attentive to, though, and the thing that we care about most, is ourselves. So anytime we can hack the desire of someone else, natural desire that they have for themselves, we can be a magnet for them, and our product can be a magnet for them. And when we base this around curiosity, base our brand around story or a mystery, something like that, which, by the way, Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller, I believe that's the name of the book, also a phenomenal book, just around story and branding. But when we build our brand around this, and we can build our marketing, advertisements, etc., around this mystery that pulls people in, that just creates curiosity in them, and we want to find, or they want to find out maybe what's even on the other side of a simple ad, or what happens when they opt into an email list, what happens when they buy a product and get it shipped to them. Anything that we can do that can create this curiosity factor and this desire to know, according to Robert Caildini, that's going to skyrocket the magnetism of your brand in your product, which obviously in turn happens to your business as well. So anyways, that was kind of, I've heard this multiple different ways before, but reading it with his example, I was like, ooh, this is very interesting. I got to share this. So if that was new for you, or if you've heard this before, let me know down in the comments below. Also, knowing what you know now about this curiosity, this mystery factor, what are you going to change differently about your marketing? What new thing are you going to try with your marketing? Let me know that down in the comments below. And with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one.